Ladies and gentlemen, there is this young man who really impressed the mourners at Raila Odinga's funeral, and majority vote. This is what I said. If this young man is properly mentored, is very smart upstairs, and I can see a bright future. So this guy cracked actually a joke at Raila Odinga's funeral, and I want you to listen to his speech, though the matter was quite uncomfortable. But anyway, he delivered the speech, and I didn't find anything wrong with that. In fact, he's so brave. So just listen.
Kani ningekuwa najua ati nitaongea, haki ningeenda niulize Uhuru anisaidie ile uji alikunywa na Raila. Tu sasa siwezi simama hapa niseme ati naogopa kuongelesha nyinyi wote. Kusema ukweli niko na jasho, natoa jasho nyingine mbaya sana hapa juu, lakini kani ningesema hapana, mjua hata mimi mamangu ako hapo na hata mimi nataka kuishi hadi 80. Mimi nataka kufika 80, na kama nimesema ati sitaki kuongea, hata mimi mngeniweka tu pale tu. So mimi nataka tu kusema kuna tu mtu mmoja unajua Raila ni mtu, labda ulikuwa unampenda ama uko unampendi, lakini ni lazima ulikuwa unamheshimu. Hivi tu vile tunapendanga kupinga serikali, unajua ni huyu mtu ndio alituletea hiyo, he gave us that ability to do that. Na sitaki kusikia ati huyu ni mtu sijui alikuwa anapenda ukabila ama sijui nini, kuna kitu kama hiyo. So napenda tu kusema asante kwa baba, na nataka ku pass my condolences kwa Auntie Aida na kila mtu mwingine. Asanteni sana kwa kukuja na kwa kunikusikiza. Asante.
The mother is a sister to Raila Odinga, actually elder sister to Raila Odinga, and she was quite comfortable with his son. Probably he knows the son is stubborn. That is how Raila Odinga was akiwa mdogo. So probably if this young man is properly mentored, apewe skills, ajue this is how hivi, I can see a rising Raila Odinga. I don't know what you have to say, but Raila Odinga has rested. We have laid Raila Odinga to rest, and today on Sunday is his final day. And what I can say, I have heard Uhuru Odinga saying that William Samoei Ruto is the one who paid for transport for Raila Odinga to get treatment in India. So it's a very clear indication. The rumor that we have been hearing that Raila Odinga was critically ill is true. In fact, they are now confirming that Raila Odinga was being taken, flew all the way from Kenya to India for medical treatment. Whether that is true, whether Raila Odinga had already died in Kenya or not, it's not important. The important thing right now is Raila Odinga has rested, and we have laid him to rest. So wacha tu Mungu aiweke roho ya baba pema peponi mpaka wakati tutakutana. But Kenyans tumelose. Sometimes I told you 2 weeks ago that ni saizi tunasema baba anaenda, in 1 or 2 weeks tutakuwa miss kabisa. And indeed Raila Odinga is going to be missed dearly. Raila Odinga is going to be missed. I don't know what you have to say, but Jacom Baba the 5th, Lala Salama. Probably there is going to emerge somebody, but as by now there is none. I don't see anybody who is going to emerge. Some say Babu is going to emerge as a low kingpin. Yeah, he's a good guy, he's a young man, political future is promising, but is he really going to fit into Raila's shoes? That is something we're just waiting to see how he's going to conduct himself. But if Babu plays his cards probably, I know he has been reading from Raila Odinga's script, he's going to make a good leader in the future. He's going to replace Baba Raila Odinga. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. See you in the next video.